How to fix the screen stays on when locked. It doesn't turn off on the iPhone 16, iPhone 16e, or the iPhone 16 Pro. So here you can see the phone stays on all the time. So to fix it, first let's go back to the home screen. From the home screen, tap on settings. Then in settings, we're going to go back to the main settings page. After that, we then scroll down and tap on display and brightness. Now in here, we're going to scroll down and tap on always on display. Next, go down and tap on always on display and turn it off. So tap on the toggle button to switch it off. Then we go back here. Now in here it says that always on display dims the screen while keeping information like time, widgets, and notifications visible using minimal power. So this is the reason why. So if you switch off always on display, you can see that this time the screen will not turn on. And that is how you can fix the problem with the screen not being able to turn off when you are on the lock screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.